Alright, so right now I have this graphics card. This is a Geforce FX 5200. It's an 8 GB card. I think it has 128 megabytes of memory. There's a problem in this card. It shows a discolored on the screen. Some lines, it has a garbage display. Alright, so I'm gonna test this if still this graphics card is working. Alright. Alright, so this is the computer that I'm using right now, and this is a Pentium 4 with an AGP slots on it. So I'm just gonna put the card there so I can try it out, and if this graphics card works, then alright. So right now I'm gonna try to boot this computer. Alright, let's check here. We're going to power this on. Alright, and also the card is already inside the CPU. Let's see if this alright, so we have a boot here. Alright, and that's weird, there's no pause. Alright, so as you can see, I did try turning on this computer and it shows a garbage display, and it's not. When I try to, alright, okay, look at that, there are weird lines on it. Alright, it's booting on Windows. Alright, well, I have the system here, it's Windows 95. I just try to check here if it does really. Alright, so it has a garbage display anyway, but it's booting up. Let's see if Windows will detect any display correctly or not. Right. An error, and it shows here that the display adapter is not configured properly. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is going to shut this computer down so that we'll try to maybe to clean the video card. Alright, computer is shut down. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now here is I'm going to clean this video card. If it fixed this, because as what I can see here, there are many dusts on the card. Alright, so we'll try to do that. Alright, let's gonna pull this right, well, we're gonna pull this fan here. Let's check this. Alright, so it seems that the thermal paste is so sticky and it's hard to get this one. Try to pull this. Alright, so as you can see, we have a thermal. The card itself is so dry, the thermal paste is so dry. We'll have to clean this. What I'm gonna use is I'm gonna use a lighter fluid to clean the video card in it, to remove this thermal paste as well. Alright. We're gonna use some brush and clean the board and the chip itself, also as well this gold platings on the contacts. And we're gonna use a cotton as well to remove some excess old thermal paste that were so dry. Cleaning the card. Alright, we're going to clean this as well. So alright, so I think the thermal paste was already removed on this heatsink with the fan. Alright, I'm gonna clean the entire graphics card up with this lighter fluid. I'm gonna pour everything on it so I can clean this card. There's still, pour it here. Alright, so after we clean the front, that's already been cleaned here, we're gonna clean at the back as well. We're going to put as well a lighter fluid and going to brush it as well. Alright, seems the card is seems that the card looks cleaned with the brush. Alright, let's just check there are still few dirt or some residues from the thermal paste. Alright, so I think that's it. I don't see any whitish residues or any dust anymore. So after all the brushing here, we're going to put back the fan. It's heatsink with the fan, so we can try it out to put some thermal paste on the top here. Alright, let's put some thermal paste, and let's put here. Alright, then let's put back its heatsink. Alright, the heatsink is attached, and we're going to connect the connector again, putting it back. Alright, so everything is attached and back to normal. So we're gonna try to insert the card again if what we did works. Alright. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. Let's check it out. I already attached the video card on the system inside, and we'll just try to power on our computer if that works by cleaning. Alright, power on. Alright, let's wait. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, our system is booting right now properly, and as I check here, it shows. Alright, the garbage display has been gone. Well, we're just trying to clean up the card with a lighter fluid and replacing the thermal paste. Let's escape here. Right, escape. Let's alright, it did pause. Okay. Alright, so the computer runs Windows 95. Yes, Windows 95. Let's check if... Alright, let's just wait here. Alright, what a classic. But I think this computer still needs some cleaning, because I think it was regarding of the dust that's that got inside the CPU itself. Alright, so right now, okay, so the system is configuring. Alright, and it's boot properly. Okay, very nice. Alright, so I think this is a success, that we fix our graphics card with a garbage display. Alright, so if you like this video, just click the button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.